On the 8th of May 2024, the results for the Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate of the Meghalaya Board of Secondary Education examinations were announced, revealing the achievements of students in the science, commerce and vocational streams. The pass percentage for the science stream is 85.24%, commerce stream at 80.26%, and an exceptional 100% for the vocational stream. In the science stream, Sohan Bhattacharjee from Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, secured the top 10 position in the top 10 list with an impressive score of 483 marks and letters in 6 subjects. For the commerce stream, Ferry Filarisha 1 of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, clinched the first position in the top 10 list with a total score of 472 marks and letters in 6 subjects. Notably, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, made a significant mark with 4 positions in the top 10 list for commerce stream and 3 positions in the science stream.
Honestly speaking, I am very shocked at the moment. I never expected to get the first position, and also quite happy, also quite shocked. So it's a really amazing moment for me, and very happy that I could make my school proud. The past results were really amazing, so really happy that I could make my school proud and keep that flag of the school high. I had planned for BSc Physics and taking majors in it, and then after doing masters, maybe going into the research background. So now let's see what happens. I'll be discussing with everyone, and let's see what happens. Time management was not that difficult, like not of 10-15 hours of study. It's not that. I studied maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, then gap. It was very easy, and I did not burden myself with everything. And also, I always consulted my teachers that how should I go forward, what are the steps to prepare for the board exam. So they really helped me a lot. The entire credit goes to them, and it's very simple actually, time management. Just you need to focus on your studies, you have to be consistent and disciplined, that's very important. Other students, the message is simple: have faith in yourself, believe in yourself, and always be disciplined and consistent, and always follow the footsteps of your teachers. Whatever they say, believe in it, understand, try to understand the concept, that is most important.
I feel really happy. I actually didn't expect this one at first. I thought my exam didn't really go that well, then hopefully it did. It's all because of my teachers, my friends who supported me, and my family who supported me emotionally, physically. So a big thank you to them. That depends on the student actually. Like some student will have to study more hours there, like because they have like different talent. Some students have to study more hours to top, and some students have to study only less hours to top. So it depends on the student how much kata can win competitive exam ranking.
Tôi cũng bảo là yo cái này cả khi long top này cái nó bị qua bên này cũng lấy.
Ako apply Kublai first Yoblai, and then my school. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to them and my teachers, my family, my friends.
So long comment bhai kata but nikong yang aku aingu show you blame nikong yang bu klam kajing rap ju but klam kajing si ju try ngan position yang bunga point ta but juga por aingu but ngaso comment ba dan imi pa bala yarap bi nga ba ai min simga dan nikap nga yang samjanga but juga por yakani ka institution yakani ibol kinang ikai kila support bi nga nadu basdang hi but juga por iki perlok nadang sidang hi bala dan nikap nga bala yarap nga nadu basdang hi bala join in class 11 ti nga dan hi kajing thumu ban penyo bit ne class 12 ban penyo desbit beningkong but ngaru ningkong hajung class 10 ru for pass ya metric nga stang indiat hi ban poi helism jung top 20 ti nga miss no kumba hajung marks ai tambah hajung kham ai kata bakan kan stop yang ma ban kiu sha khat ti nga dang tri stom shu nang tu but kumtu but kini snam ba yarap kinong ikai ban dang shtong ti na kadaw nga ban poi mata sini but but kani determination jangar kelak penong yang bangan drive shikmat mo bangan kiu shikrang baik bangan tu shikmat dia juga por kijing rap jengki nang ikai but ki support jengki mo ngalak man po ini bagi dan tingkat but juga por bagi ya rap yang ada di badan kami
nang ni shkma pada bit ke ga jing thungu bidan ban le pat
aku benet jeng ke engineering te computer science engineering mata te mentang adang sidap kini GE mains ngadang mentang adang prepare se kini ke advance te kutu dari bangalak ban pas ke advance mentang pursue yang engineering ki IITs